Castor oil has a rich history, dating back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including Egyptians and Greeks, recognized its therapeutic potential. They used castor oil for various ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. This natural remedy has stood the test of time. Today, castor oil is experiencing a resurgence in popularity as people rediscover its incredible benefits. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. This plant thrives in tropical regions worldwide. The process of extracting oil from castor beans is relatively simple. It involves cold pressing the seeds to release the oil, followed by filtration to remove impurities. This results in a pale yellow liquid with a thick consistency and a mild odor. Castor oil possesses a unique chemical composition that sets it apart from other oils. It is a triglyceride, primarily composed of ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid is key to castor oil's remarkable properties. Ricinoleic acid exhibits impressive anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. These properties contribute to its ability to soothe skin, reduce swelling, and combat infections. Castor oil also contains other beneficial compounds, including vitamin E and antioxidants. These compounds work synergistically to nourish and protect the skin, promoting overall health and vitality. One of the most celebrated benefits of castor oil lies in its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Ricinoleic acid effectively reduces inflammation by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are hormone-like substances that contribute to pain and swelling. By suppressing their production, castor oil provides relief from inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, muscle soreness, and joint pain. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, castor oil is renowned for its exceptional moisturizing abilities. It acts as a humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into the skin. This property makes it an excellent natural remedy for dry skin, eczema, and other skin conditions characterized by dryness and irritation. Castor oil in the modern world. Today, castor oil finds its way into a wide array of products reflecting its versatility and effectiveness. In the realm of cosmetics and skincare, castor oil is a common ingredient in products like shampoos, conditioners, and lotions. Its moisturizing and conditioning properties make it ideal for enhancing hair health, promoting hair growth, and taming frizz. In the medical field, castor oil is recognized for its laxative effects. It stimulates bowel movements, providing relief from constipation. Additionally, castor oil is used in the production of certain medications, particularly those targeting skin conditions and eye infections. Its antimicrobial properties make it valuable in wound healing and preventing infections. Integrating castor oil into your daily life. Incorporating castor oil into your daily routine is simple and can lead to noticeable improvements in your health and well-being. For skin and hair care, consider using a few drops of castor oil as a natural moisturizer for your face and body. Its thick consistency makes it an excellent overnight treatment for dry skin. For hair care, you can apply castor oil as a hair mask before shampooing to condition your scalp and promote hair growth. If you suffer from constipation, consult your doctor before incorporating castor oil into your diet. A small dose can effectively relieve constipation, but it's crucial to use it under medical supervision. Explore the world of castor oil. Castor oil is a versatile and effective natural remedy with a rich history and a promising future. Whether you're seeking relief from inflammation, aiming to enhance your beauty routine, or exploring natural solutions for common ailments, castor oil deserves a place in your wellness toolkit. This ancient elixir continues to captivate with its remarkable properties, offering a natural path to improved health and well-being. We've only just scratched the surface of what castor oil can do. Join us in upcoming segments as we delve deeper into its specific applications and benefits. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this and learn more about incorporating castor oil into your life. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock the full potential of this natural wonder.